This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, December the 13th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. Still have this system moving off the New England coast out into the Canadian Maritimes and into the Atlantic. Ridge in between that and the storm that's off to our west. This will be slowly moving in our direction. We'll have southerly winds coming up. It's going to warm the temperatures up, but unfortunately the skies are going to be cloudy again for the entire state. Readings will be warmer in the 40s and 50s across the state both today and on Sunday. Sunday will be a little bit more humid, I should say, at this point. Rain will break out, especially in our western counties by late afternoon and into the evening, and the rest of the state during the overnight hours and into the day on Monday. And Monday, during the day, we could see the rain change over to some snow in the northwestern counties, and then this will slowly move through the state, but the heaviest precipitation will be out of the state by the time a lot of this changes over to snow. Any accumulation would likely be over the northwestern quarter to third of the state. Readings on Monday will be in the 30s northwest and 40s the rest of the state, dropping into the upper 20s to mid 30s here Tuesday with some lingering snow flurries or snow showers. Wednesday, the clouds will still be around again. We're not getting rid of these clouds because here comes the next storm system. Gulf moisture begins to ride up through Texas, Oklahoma, into Missouri again, and this looks to come in Wednesday night through the day on Thursday, and with colder air in place, this could be in the form of some snow, maybe a rain-snow mix in our southeastern counties. We'll have to see about that. We have plenty of time to watch this in the coming days, but it looks to end Friday as all snow. But it'll be very light as most of the heaviest precipitation will be transferred down to the south across the Ohio, or the lower Ohio and mainly the Tennessee River Valley down into the Delta region. And then that system will slowly move away into the eastern Great Lakes in the southeast. Another system drops into the Rockies, another system over the prairie provinces of Canada. But as one system leaves and one system is approaching, we may still be stuck in some clouds. We could maybe see some breaks in the clouds, but with one system moving off to the east and another one approaching, we're not going to see a whole heck of a lot of sunshine in the next 7 days or so across the state if this is to be correct. Going into the extended period, Christmas Eve, we have a flow coming out of the northwest, but if you follow the flow, it comes out of Alaska and the Yukon, down into the northern part of the country, and then sweeps across the country. So this would in turn mean that temperatures will probably be at to below seasonal levels. We'll have a system just off to our east producing quite a bit of light to maybe moderate snow over the upper Ohio River Valley in the mid-Atlantic states. Another system moving into the Pacific Northwest with rain and mountain snow there. The end of the forecast, December the 28th. We have a trough over the east and a bit of a ridge, or kind of a ridge over the west, but a cutoff low off of Baja California. Another system in the Rockies, but it's an upper level feature with little if any moisture with it. System moving into the Pacific Northwest. System, a big bomb system over Newfoundland and Labrador. Around here it just looks like the end of December looks cold. Satellite image from last evening. The system over New England slowly dissipating, just a few low and mid-level clouds there left. Next system off to our west, producing a lot of rain and mountain snow, especially across that area. Just a lot of low and mid-level clouds around here. The watch warning map for last evening, some winter weather issues still over the eastern Great Lakes into northern New England. Frost advisory in Florida, a couple of fog advisories around the Midwest, and the winter storm advisories and watches continue out west as well. Taking a look at the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. Showing rainfall amounts around here are liquid equivalent around a half an inch, with heaviest over the west.